Hi all, welcome to Pantechelearning. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Inside an augmented reality or virtual reality, now whatever it is being trending means the 3D models. So the three-dimensional models which relates towards the real world. For example, whatever the models if you take in a normal camera, it is a 2D one with the color or black and white, everything it will be like a memory. But the same thing if you take it as a 3D model means how we will be able to view it. So it is not possible to view by taking a print. Or if anybody is trying to take the print means that too it will be in the form of a 3D printing only. So once whenever we are working regarding towards this different models means for Unity or let it be augmented reality, virtual reality, everywhere nowadays all the games are in the form of 3D. So previously if you go for the Super Mario game, those games at all and NFS, everything comes under the 2D model. Not NFS is not in 2D. I hope if you go for olden car race, some joystick games or those kind of games means it comes under the particular section, especially 2D part. So we won't be able to see all the directions. Some different parts will be there, and we also won't be able to see the other section. We won't be able to move that particular location, anything. So once when we are going on towards this particular kind of functions means here we have to know how it has been implemented with augmented reality. So for that, so those kind of 3D models they have been created in that. From that particular 3D models, they were able to obtain the data. So what are the data means action. So here we are integrating our action with that particular hardware, and from that particular hardware itself it is able to recognize whatever the action he is making, like shooting that particular animals and whatever he is jumping and touching that particular boxes. So those kind of things and all it comes under the real time, and whatever the animated thing he has created, those known as the 3D models. So with the help of that particular 3D models only, here we will be able to make different kinds of applications. Okay, it may be everything with the same, or once whenever if he's showing some actions over there, that action should be captured. But whatever we will be facing with the normal as well as this particular kind of thing means inside the mobile phones we won't be able to recognize this kind of actions because our mobile has only 2D camera, not a motion direction. But whatever that particular person it is using, it is HoloLens, in which MR, AR, VR, everything can be created. The MR is mixed reality, AR augmented reality, VR is virtual reality. This kind of functions only it will be enabled up over there. So with the help of integrating that 3D objects will be interfaced with some sort of the device like HoloLens or Oculus Rift, etc. And from that, here we have to interact in a virtual mode. So this completely makes us a design of 3D model and at the same time creating an augmented reality. Now like this, here if I just want to make some sort of actions means it is very easy. So what I have to do means, so inside this, I won't be able to create multiple sections. So no need of this. So here I am creating for a rotate option. So in this particular rotate option, what and all the functions should be there means. So first we have to call that particular object name. So name of the game object it is I have provided as panel. So within that panel, I have to transform the position. So for that transform dot rotate. The rotate function it is already available inside the Unity itself. We used to do with icon, but now we are going to use it do with the help of a button. So for that we have to provide some degree or that particular angle. So like 0f, 0f and -6f. So this and all comes under the degree of freedom. So from that particular degree of freedom, it will be able to rotate from one position to another in a step-by-step manner. Now I'm going to save it, and once again I will be uploading that particular code towards Unity. So now here I'm going to take that particular text file alone. So text alone has been taken. Okay, so we can create an object, take an object. Now here we don't have an idea how this particular thing will be rotating or whether it can be interfaced or not. So that particular portion, let us check it. Okay, so here we are able to see that particular cube. Like yesterday itself, let us create a color. Yeah, everything is visible. Now here we have to edit our requirement. So here the game object is missing. So game object is ready. Instead of panel opener, we have to apply the rotation part. Now just run it. So here we can see however it is being rotated. Now this is nothing but one form of rotation which has been done automatically. Now here itself what happens if we just change that angles. So the steps or that particular angles. So however it is getting changed. So the direction also it is getting changed up over there. So that's what only if we provide the changing areas over there like x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So on each and every time of clicking, this will be happened. So interacting with 3D models, this particular portion. Now, similarly, how to create a 3D environment. So for creating 3D environment, it doesn't require any of these things. So camera, it is most important. Okay. So how to create means the most important part whenever we are creating it is like plane. If you are going to create a virtual reality system or VR system means the most important part is plane. So for that, here we can right click, then 3D object, create a plane. Okay, so plane is ready. Okay, so like this kind of material itself, we can create n number of materials. So once when we are working over here means this part is most important. Go for create material. Okay, so now the color is ready. Just drag and drop it up over here. It is completely in the form of plane. Now, if we want to add a tree upon this, so the tree is also available up over here. So this is inbuilt package only. No need to download anything. Okay, so here we can see that particular tree. But anyway, this particular tree doesn't have any of the leaves. So we can reduce the size according to our requirement. Okay, now for this, we can create a color on material. Okay, so almost ready. Looks like brown. Okay, so this kind of setups only here we have to interface with this. But the same thing if you are going for augmented reality means there is no need of this particular portion at all. The plane, we require only the 3D model, whatever it is needed. And we have to just work on that particular model also, like how to get that particular animated. For example, here we have some butterfly package. Go to that package manager. So this is animated package only. First we have to download it. Click on import. It has been imported. Okay, now therefore our butterfly is ready. So everything is like whatever we create only. Now let us play and see. So we have to arrange the requirement. So now we have arranged everything. Now let us play. Okay, so here it is not taking that particular object.
If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.